Hello, and welcome to the second video in this Plan.City London how-to series, where we'll be talking about how to change the time and day and weather settings that drive the appearance of the app. As you can see, when launching Plan.City, London appears in front of us looking vibrant in a setting many consider to be a typical spring day. This is a default appearance we've chosen for normal play, but it is by no means the only available option. As we are about to see, we can change the date, the hour, and even the weather being displayed. To do so, we'll first need to head over to the Settings panel, a UI element accessible after clicking in the time and date text displayed at the bottom right corner of the main menu bar. You might remember from our first video that clicking on this element can be done when in control of the mouse pointer, accessible after pressing the Escape key if using the drone control system, or available at all times if controlling the app using the Orbit Pan Zoom method. With the panel fully open, we can now select the first available option, named Time and Weather. Doing so will reveal the homonymous panel, which contains controls that affect those two systems. To change the time, simply click on the buttons above and below the texts, those that display the hours and the minutes, or click on the texts themselves to manually type a new value. The same applies when adjusting the date. Simply click on the appropriate day, month, and year controls. Once you are happy with the selection, you can click on the Set New Default Value button if you want the app to use this new value every time you open it. If you get tired of it, or if you want to roll back to our predefined value, choose the Use Time Preset option. On top of that, you can also choose to sync the time and date reported by your computer and the app, something achievable through the Use Local Time button. Changing any of the previous values will see the sun adopt the same position in the virtual world as it would in the real one, allowing us to check the shadows cast by the virtual buildings or by any new designs we build or import into the app. Beyond the time and date, we can also adjust the weather on display by clicking on any of the three different presets present in the next section of this same panel. The default value being used is the cloudy one, which gives us an almost equal amount of clear sky and clouds. Another option is the clear preset, the perfect choice if you want to remove all of the clouds from the scene. Having said that, and considering the city on display, we can't forget about the overcast preset, especially if we want to completely cover the sky with clouds and prevent the sun from casting shadows. Apart from these being perhaps a more accurate representation of London, the reality is that removing shadows can be of benefit in certain situations. For instance, we can use this to our advantage if having actual shadows from the sun clashes with a solar study we might want to review in Plan.City, or any of the other tools and data layers available in the app. Keep this in mind if you ever find yourself wishing to turn them off. All in all, the time and weather system should allow us to depict the city in a more realistic light. Hope this has been of help when it comes to using this feature, and please check out our other videos to see more.